In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix FC26 not opening or launching. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, regardless of whatever you have FC26 on, whether it's like Steam or directly from the EA launcher, it can be incredibly frustrating if it's just not opening whatsoever. So there's a few things that you could go ahead and do. The first thing is go ahead to your task manager. Maybe it's just open in the background. So go to details, type in FC, see if it's open, and if it is, right click on it and then end the task. The next thing that you want to go ahead and do is go over to Steam or obviously the EA app. And then if you're on the EA app, what you want to do is go over to your library, click the three dots where FC26 is, and then go ahead and click on repair. Now, if you've got it through Steam, all you're going to do is right click on it, go over to properties like so, then go to install files, and then you're going to see verify integrity of game files. Once you do this, this is basically going to be checking all of the files for the FC26 download and making sure that there's no corrupt files. And if there are, it's going to replace them automatically. And then you'll be good to go.